Hello everyone. Welcome to our special episode on weight management strategies. And today we're going to dive deep into different methods for managing your weight effectively and healthily. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about setting goals. A key aspect of any weight management plan is having clear, achievable goals. You want to set a target weight, but more importantly, set smaller milestones along the way. These milestones can include things like fitting into a specific pair of jeans, being able to run a certain distance, or simply feeling more energetic. By having these smaller goals, you can stay motivated and measure your progress over time. Another important strategy is regular exercise. This doesn't mean you have to spend hours in the gym every day, but incorporating physical activity into your routine is crucial. It can be as simple as taking a brisk walk, cycling, or trying out a fitness class. What's important is finding an activity you enjoy so that you can stick with it in the long run. Nutrition plays a big role in weight management too. It's not just about eating less, but also eating right. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-dense foods will keep you full and satisfied while providing essential nutrients your body needs. Great question. Portion control is a fantastic strategy for managing weight. It involves being mindful of how much you eat, especially when dining out or at parties where portions can be larger than necessary. Using smaller plates can help, as can measuring out servings in advance. This way, you can keep track of your intake and avoid overeating. What about intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is another strategy that's gained popularity. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. The most common method is the 16-8 approach, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. While it can help with weight management, it's important to listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. Staying hydrated is also key to weight management. Sometimes we mistake thirst for hunger, leading us to eat more than we need. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help curb unnecessary snacking and keep you feeling full. What about stress and sleep? Excellent points. Stress and sleep are often overlooked, but play a significant role in weight management. High stress levels can lead to emotional eating, while insufficient sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and satiety. Practice stress relief techniques like meditation or yoga and aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Finally, keeping a food and activity journal can help you stay on track. By recording what you eat and your exercise routine, you can identify patterns and make necessary adjustments. Plus, it helps hold you accountable to your goals. Before we wrap up, I'd like to touch on one more important aspect of weight management: community and support. Surrounding yourself with people who share your goals can be incredibly motivating. Whether it's joining a fitness group, enlisting a workout buddy, or attending a support group, connecting with others can help you stay accountable and make your journey more enjoyable. And remember, weight management is not just about the number on the scale. It's about overall well-being. Celebrate your progress no matter how small, and always be kind to yourself. Progress takes time, and it's important to stay positive throughout the journey. Just like this plant, growth takes time and patience. Nurture your body and mind, and soon enough, you'll see the results of your efforts. We've covered a lot today: setting goals, regular exercise, nutrition, portion control, intermittent fasting, hydration, managing stress and sleep, and keeping a journal. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, so find what works best for you. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope these strategies help you on your path to a healthier you. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos.